What's going on, guys? It's Fishing the Western here, and today we're fishing a little creek we found on the side of the road. Caught a little spotted bass. We're gonna go check it out. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I got my smarty spotters, as John B would call them. Yeah, we're gonna go try to catch some hogs. Really, it's just for the view and everything. I'll run down there and see what we can do. All right, this is what we're working with right now. Gonna go down this big old slope here, this rope you grab on. Wish me luck. All right, I think we're good. Maybe not. Jesus. I just ate it. You get any more bites? I think you just need to be good at fishing.
There's so many fish.
I'll catch one right now, watch.
I think we need a little smaller hook.
Go smaller then. Put on that spinner.
Huh?
Put on that spinner. You know what might work is the bucktail.
Those little grubs.
Yeah.
With the little. I want to try that first.
I don't know if there's a lot in this pocket though.
Come up here and throw it. I had 3 fish while you were gone. Right here where it's deep, they're just chilling. Every time you throw it in, every cast they nail it.
There's one. Alright, I'm recording, by the way.
Huh?
I'm recording.
Oh, sorry. Take this time out to apologize to everybody for using the outboard. Oh, there's another bass. Oh, geez.
Dude, this is sick. They're really healthy, too.
They're super pretty. I don't even care if they're big or not.
Yeah, they're spotted. They're spotted bass. That's what I thought. You could tell because of rough patch. Yeah, so we caught him on the little Yamamoto. Super pretty in here, no big ones. It'd be awesome to fly fish in here. My dad has one of the Zoom finesse worms on. And either way, I don't really think it matters what you throw.
A little waterfall in the background. This is so awesome.
I know.
Good.
Well, I'm just pitching under this. I keep pitching under this brush right here, this big old log. I keep catching them under there. It's one thing you gotta watch out for, though, is getting stuck on everything. Worm's all jacked. Yeah, but we got like a 5-inch worm on here, Yamamoto. Weedless this so I don't get caught in the tree. So far we caught only spots. How many have you caught, Dad?
Huh?
How many?
I caught 3 when you're gone, 4 so far.
I got 4, I got 3, I think.
Just by every cast. The only reason I stopped catching them is because I'm changing them.
They're going for action. And they're all riled up like that, they just want to go after it. See, I'm moving it way more and they're just,
Oh, you got him. Oh!
they just want action. They want to chase it. See?
Oh,
that's a
good
nice one. That's the nicest one in here. That might be a largie.
Body is easier to pull it, yeah.
Oh, here we go on the grub. Yeah, another spot. So now you know what to do. Try to twitch it and reel it a little bit, because that tail in the back moves. And when you're casting in spots where you have to get it perfect, reel in line, yeah. And it's way easier to get in those spots.
Unfortunately, we got kicked out of the spot. Apparently you weren't allowed to fish there, so in the next couple of clips I'll show you guys some other fishing trips that we went on, and they're not the best footage. That's because I didn't actually get me reeling in the fish, but I hope you guys enjoy.
Wasn't recording, but we just caught this hunk right here. About to let him go. I was trying to figure out the fish all day. It's a nice bass. I'll go the other way. Alright, what's going on, guys? Weird way to start the video, but I got my Guggen. I don't even know what it's called. They call it some weird stuff. But we're gonna be fishing for some bass. I caught that guy. None of the lures I was throwing was working, so I got a little bluegill, put it on a circle hook, and I saw this big bass swimming around in the area, and I went to go look for him, threw it right by him. Bluegill was like swimming on top of the water, and the bass just chomped him. It would have been great footage, but missed out. It's all right. I'm gonna try to start making as much content as I can. We're out in actually a private lake, but there's some pretty big bass, so we're gonna go for that and try to help you guys out, to tell you guys how to catch these bass. That's it, folks.
The rest of that fishing trip, I caught one more fish, but didn't get it on camera at all. The next clip takes place in a lake called Nassau.
All right, first fish at Nassau. Got a 1 pounder here we got. Little fat guy. Nice little largie. It's fat. Bass. Largemouth. There's schools of them right here. I saw this rock point, and I saw all kinds of rocks. There was hecka chasing him. All right, let's get release. I just started fishing this point.